Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the women's Air Max 97 SE in the vast gray and metallic silver colorway. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, we have the orange box, got the white Nike logo on the top, got Nike logos all around the box. So again, here we go with the women's Air Max 97. The colorway is vast gray, metallic silver, and metallic gold. But enough of the box, let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, Nike Air Max 97 in the vast gray, metallic silver, and metallic gold colorway. Now, I think these are dope. I'm feeling them. Before we go any further, man, let me know in the comments what y'all think about them, man. Let me know if y'all feeling them or not, you know what I'm saying? Now, these supposed to release on November 23rd for 160 bucks. So if you're in the market to get you some kicks, man, if you mess with the Air Max and whatever and you feeling this colorway, man, go ahead and handle your business, you heard? But anyway, looking under the bottom, you got the white, all white midsole, or outsole, better yet, excuse me. Now here's a look at the shoe, man. As you can see, you got the, I'm not sure if this is patent leather, which I don't believe it is, man, but it's some kind of funny material where you see the gold at, man. You know, it got kind of like a iridescent effect, you know what I'm saying? That pull tab on the back has like a glitter effect, you know what I mean? I think that's a nice little touch for the ladies, yeah. Got the Air Max on it in gold, you feel me? Medial side, you already see what's happening, you hear me? All in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. There's a look from the top. There's a look at that silver swoosh on the tongue. Like I say, man, super dope shoe, man. Trying to give you a look at that, let you see that that's not really patent leather. And if it is, they did something with it to make the colors do what it does. You know what I'm saying? When the light hit it. You know what I mean? So the other shoe is identical, man. No difference between the two. I'm just blazing through this, man. I just be trying to give y'all a look at the kicks, man. I don't try to get too technical. I don't know everything about all the shoes, you know what I'm saying? So just appreciate the fact that I'm giving you the visuals of it, man. You hear me? Now on the inside, you got like a off-white insole with the little Nike quote in it. Engineered and inspired by, you already know what this is. I don't even remember, man. Look. But anyway, there's that white patch on the side. I call it a patch. I don't know why, but it is what it is, man. Like I say, man, I'm feeling the shoe, man. I think it's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you're in the market to get you something, man, go ahead and handle your business, man. So, ladies, let me know what y'all think about it, man. You feeling them? You not? Now, I know some people might say, oh, man, you do too many shoes for women, man. You know, I have a daughter, man. You know what I'm saying? So here's a better look at them. Let's just see when that light hit them. Let's see how that gold changes colors, and that's if you could see it, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, it is what it is, man. I think it's a nice shoe. I'm feeling it. Not for me, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. That was my look at the Air Max 97. This is from the, what was it? This is from the metallic gold pack. You hear me? Follow us on Instagram, PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.